Hey Curly Teas, today let's make a curl defining gel based on the 3-root formula used in the MSM root conditioner. 40 root, ginger root, and burdock root will combine to create an herbal, shiny, curl defining gel or a gel for sleek, manageable styles no matter the curl pattern. First, you have to make the tea. Combine 40 root, ginger root, and burdock root in a heat-safe container. Add a desired amount of distilled water. Heat it directly. You can skip the double boiler method for these herbs. These are dried root herbs. So I made the tea the night before and stored it in the refrigerator. TSGD, or tetrasodium glutamate diacetate, is a chelator that helps boost the effectiveness of your preservative. Gluconolactone SB is a broad-spectrum preservative, but you can use whichever preservative or preservation system that works best for you. If you're making a larger batch than the one in this video, you may want to add another preservative or use a different preservative to extend the shelf life of the gel. Depending on the preservative you choose, these early steps may be a little different. Because I'm using gluconolactone SB, I'm going to heat this water phase to just under 40 degrees Celsius and allow it to fully dissolve. Alright y'all, glycerin is actually a wonderful humectant for the hair. It draws moisture to the hair, but it also keeps your actual product, your physical product, from drying out and cracking before you can use it all up. A lot of us were scared away from using glycerin years ago, but it actually is a fantastic humectant for the hair. It's in everything for a reason. It's not simply a filler ingredient. It serves a very important purpose. Propanediol, aka nature's silk, is a high-quality humectant meant to replace propylene and butylene glycols. It's used to cut down on the stickiness of glycerin. It also helps add a glossy look to the actual product. Cepimexin is a pre-neutralized, high-performing polymer that is used to create the gel viscosity of this product. If you haven't noticed before, I accidentally discovered, that Cepimexin can be hydrated without the need for letting it sit for 8 hours or for overnight. I'm very slowly, manually mixing the batch for 5 minutes. When I say slowly, I mean slowly. And stir this mix for about 5 minutes. Since the base of the gel is a tea, and there are other ingredients like gluconolactone already in the mix, I'm gonna let this sit for another 10 minutes. In that time, you can combine your other ingredients. This is how it looks after stirring slowly for 5 minutes. Next, leave it alone and let it sit for at least another 10 minutes or so while you combine your next ingredients. Bamboo is said to help strengthen the hair over time. It's a great addition to a formula focused on helping to strengthen the hair and sort of decrease breakage, The extract I have has a usage rate that starts at 5%. So pay attention to the usage rate recommendation for the type of bamboo extract that you have. Aloe vera concentrate is simply a concentrated form of aloe vera. If you don't have this, you can use regular aloe juice or whatever is comfortable for you in this particular formula. Become a member at Curly Tea to get access to all of the niche handmade DIY recipes and formulas, including the full ingredients list, full instructions, my notes, and other related information. Improve your perspective on why creating your own hair care and skincare is important, and get introductions to ingredients that you may have never considered before. Go ahead and become a member today, or head over to Patreon to show support for what our little community is doing over here. The final product is either a curl defining gel or a slick gel for sleek styles, depending on your hair type and how you want to use it. If you don't like this color, you can add any number of water-based colorants before you add the Sebimex Zen. Just know that whatever color you choose will be mixed with a yellow-orange hue provided by the other ingredients in the product. So your final color could end up being nowhere near close to what you planned unless you account for this. Apply the gel as the last step in your layering process. I usually add the water-soluble leave-in conditioner to my hair, then an oil-based sealer, and then a gel to help define the curl. You can try using this straight on the hair, but it may be crunchier than you would like, or it may work perfectly, depending on your needs. You'll just have to try it and see. Shout out to the patrons and the subscribers at the website for hanging in there with us. They are the backbone of this platform. And if you want to join these beautiful souls, you know where to go. Please help us so that we can continue this journey. If you are watching this at YouTube, check out the next formula, or you can just continue to watch, take a break, and relax for a while. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out all of the formulas and recipes at CURLYTEA.com, including the full ingredients lists, instructions, my notes, and other information.